Alright, good morning. It is the August the 3rd on a Sunday. These are the only days that it's really nice and quiet. Most of the other days there's lots of noise because of the busy rat race world we live in. You are extremely in a rush to get to the end of something which never ends, except maybe finishing off with the Earth. So today I'm going to show you the experiment, the ocean solution. We are, I don't know exactly how long into it. I'm going to have to check that date for you. It's still nice and early in the morning. The sun is coming through. There's a lot of wind again today. And this is the experiment. What I've been doing is, I have these two cases. Both of them are 1400 parts per million, just over, with the master blend. But the one here on the right, I've been spraying with this spray bottle. And this spray bottle here is just a normal spray bottle. And what I've been doing is I've been basically just misting it, trying to not touch the one on that side, as little as possible at least. Some of it is flowing over because of the heavy wind. And every morning I've been coming around and I've been spraying these leaves with a normal mister. This is not a atomizer or any special fine mist. It's just a normal watering bottle that I got for, you know, all kinds of things. It's not a reused one, so I'm not using one that had some kind of chemical stuff in it. Make sure and try to avoid that kind of stuff. And as you see, I'm just spraying these leaves. You might get a bit disoriented because the wicking bed behind it's got purslane in here. It's got some sweet potato in here. This is basically my wicking bed that I use for survival. A nice amaranth, sweet leaf, tender leaf, I mean. So what I've been doing once a day, like in these low sun hours, spraying these guys with this 100 parts water and 1 part ocean solution. Nice and wet, making sure there's enough getting in there. But I have not been able to see any significant difference here yet. And maybe I will, but I cannot really see any massive difference between either of these guys. This is just master blend. We got the pak choi, the amsoy, and the mizuna, which is a Japanese green. And then over here we start with the same kind of setup, but with the ocean solution. As you can see, I've been spraying the leaves. You can see the droplets, but I have not seen any significant difference in growth. It does not mean that there's no difference in the mineral content, but visibly I cannot see them doing any better, bigger, or faster, or healthier for that matter. I can only see that they're the same. But maybe the mineral content is indeed higher, and for that I cannot really do any testing. So that's about a week and a half before they're complete, fully adult. So I'll come back at the end and take another shot of that. Alright, welcome to another Sunday morning. Today is August 10th, and these are the two boxes I planted with Master Blend. The only difference was that on the right hand side, this box over here, I sprayed every morning or afternoon, 1 time a day, with a solution of Ocean Solution 2 or 3. I basically sprayed it with a normal hand sprayer, hand mister. And this is the result so far. They got about a week left to go. They're 4 weeks now. They should go for another 7 days and to come to full maturity. I do not see a significant difference in the ocean solution, except that it has this little shiny, glittery stuff on it, which is the minerals that do not evaporate. I must say, even, I don't know if it has to do with the ocean solution, but this sucker here, this pak choi here, has something really weird to it. It's kind of like doubling up. I don't know if it's the heat or something else. This one has it as well. This one does not. This one as well. And this one a little bit, but basically not much. Then the ones without the ocean solution also have it. It seems like some kind of bug or something is causing the leaf to fold. And then that's the only one really in here. A little bit more on this one as well, but generally speaking, only on the ones with the ocean solution, or at least 3 out of 5, and this one has about 1 out of 5. The Mizuma here is bigger than any of the Mizumas in the ocean solution box. You can see that here. In fact, the ocean solution box over here seems a little bit, well, at least they're not small, they're nice size. The Amsoris over here are a bit smaller, I would say, except for maybe one, but these 1, 2, 3, this one is about the same size as those over there, but they seem bigger. And the pak choys actually also seem bigger. So it seems that the ocean solution 203 in this way of a foliar application, under the circumstances that I have here, which is extreme heat, well, I don't know what you call it in Fahrenheit, but it's about 32. Maybe during the day it gets a bit above like 34ish. At night it cools down to maybe 27, 28 degrees Celsius, not Fahrenheit. So that's the experiment so far. 1 more week to go, but I definitely think that, well, the ocean solution 203 was not much of a help. In fact, it might be even detrimental in some way. But it doesn't mean that the mineral content is not higher, but general health, size, growth doesn't really seem to be improved by it.